Welcome you all to my channel. I am Dhanaa Sir from Mettur. Vanakkam. Today we will discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. At the earliest stage, few organic compounds were known, so the nomenclature is not an important one. After that, we discovered a lot of organic compounds, so we need a new method to name these compounds. So the organization called IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, designed the rules to name the organic compounds. Let us see the rules. This nomenclature of organic compounds is the bigger one, so multiple parts of this topic will coming soon in our channel. Stay with us for better understanding. Now we enter the topic. First we discuss the parts of IUPAC name. Generally, IUPAC name of organic compounds consist of three parts, namely word root, suffix and prefix. There are two types of prefix and suffix are available. First one is primary suffix and second one is secondary suffix. Similarly, prefix also classified into this primary and secondary. Now we discuss about root word. This indicates the longest continuous chain of carbon skeleton in an organic compound, and also it is the base of IUPAC name. If the organic compound containing only one carbon, then its name contains root word meth. The compound contains two carbon in a continuous chain, its name contain eth as a root word. Similarly, the compound containing three carbons, we have the root word prop. When C4 called as but, C5 pent, C6 C7 hept, C8 oct, C9 non. If C10 means we get deca and etc. Let us take the example CH4 called as methane as IUPAC name. Here CH4 contains only one carbon, so we have meth as a root word. Similarly, on going to second example C2H6, the carbon skeleton in this compound is C single bond C, so there are two carbons present in this compound, therefore we add eth as a root word, so the name of the compound is ethane. In our next video, I will explain how to add ane as a suffix. Now we discuss only the eth, that is a root word. Next we take another example C3H8 has 3 carbon, that is C single bond C single bond C. So there are 3 carbon in continuous chain, that means first carbon is directly connected to the second carbon and second carbon is also directly connected with third carbon. So this is known as continuous chain or parent hydrocarbon. So we have the root word prop and the carbon connected only through the single bond, then we add the suffix ane. I already told how to select ane as a suffix. Next we move to C4, the compound containing 4 carbon. See the black box, we numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. There is one probability to arrange the 4 carbons. If I shift first carbon to the third carbon, then we get the another structure. See that second box. Here the first carbon is connected with remaining third carbon, that is second one third, fourth. So we have the new structure. In box 1, listen here, the first carbon is connected with the second carbon and third carbon and fourth carbon linearly. So all carbons are continuously connected. On moving to second black box, here the second carbon is connected with the third carbon linearly and also fourth carbon. Here the first carbon goes to branch, so there are only 3 carbons available in continuous chain. So we have the root word prop. For first box, 4 carbons present in a continuous chain, so bute as a root word. Next we go to when come pent as a root word. Suppose we take C5 system. Listen here, first carbon connected with the second carbon and also third, fourth and fifth. There are continuous chain present in a first compound made up of 5 carbon. So this is called pent, parent hydrocarbon. And numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I shift first carbon to third carbon, we get the second structure. Here there are 3 ways to count the carbon chain. Way 1 is a linear manner. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present. On counting by second way, this way we get 3 carbon as the longest chain. In manner 3, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons will be present in a continuous chain. So in this case, we have maximum number of carbon in a carbon skeleton continuously is 4. So we have bute is a root word, but the compound containing 5 carbon, but we have bute as a root word. And move to another example. See this compound. Here there are 4 possibilities to count the carbon skeleton. First one is this type, we have 3 carbon, and second one is on counting this manner we have 3 carbon. Similarly here also 3 carbon and here also 3 carbon. If suppose I take linear counting, here also 3 carbon. If I take vertical linear type, and also I having 3 carbon in maximum. So we have prop is the root word for this compound. And final one, this is identical with the compound left to its. So this is also having root word bute. This is the way to identify the root word of organic compounds. I hope you understand clearly. If you have any doubt, comment me in comment section. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more update. In our next video, we discuss about the suffix as well as prefix in nomenclature of organic compounds. Thank you.